This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in this video I'll show how you can insert an SD and SIM cards into this tablet. So first step is to release your tablet out of the case, if it is in any case, of course. Now once you have, you're holding your tablet in its pure uncased form, at the left side of its frame you'll find a slot like that. So either use your nails to push it out. My nails are clipped, so I do not have enough surface to work with, so I'll have to use my old trusty injection tool here. So take it out like that, I would say, and then eject it all the way. Now here you have the SIM slot and SD card slot, which in theory might double as second SIM card tray if you would prefer to not expand storage but rather use two SIM cards with it. Let's check. Yeah, it's not. It's only meant to be filled with an SD card. So, well, let's follow it. So the first slot, the bigger one, is designed to put an SD card in. So take your SD card, make sure that it's aligned, and, well, place it like that. Now take your SIM card, align this, well, how do you put it? Like the corner of your SIM card, you have like 3 sharp corners and 1 that is not sharp. Forgot the word for it, but just align the unsharp corner of your SIM card with the unsharp corner of the SIM card tray, or of this tray here, and it should slot right in like that. And now simply return the SIM card / SD card tray back into the tablet, and well, that will be pretty much it. As you can see, it recognized that the tablet recognized that the memory card have been inserted, as well as the SIM card, as you can see by this cellular signal. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.